This is for Mark 5 2-liter turbo FSI, and I'm going to show you how to cut it as well as the hardware to get so that you have a stud driver to install the stud kit if you do get one. Now this is a M6x1 bolt, so with this bolt and this coupling nut you can put the two together and put them on your new studs from your stud kit to insert them into the tensioner cover later. So, but right now we're going to shorten this by about 8 millimeters. Okay, now there's ways to mark the 8 millimeters. I'm just going to use two nuts sort of snugged up against each other. I'll cut right up against this coupling nut later, here in a second, with the disc, and then we'll chamfer the edges of the new cut so that the nuts go on and off easier. Alright, the nuts are locked in at 8 millimeters. Anywhere from 8 to 10 millimeters is okay on this. It'll work just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it, but I'm not going to do it on the video because it'll get real loud. And we're just going to cut right here at the nut through the new stud. And then I'll show you why I used the nut. And then we'll chamfer the newly cut edge after that. Alright, I just cut off the 8 millimeters. Okay, the reason why I like to have the nut on here where I cut is so that I kind of have a way to clean up the threads as I remove this nut. And now it's coming off real easy. Now you still have to chamfer it. Alright, so we've got that cut edge, and we want to chamfer it. I usually bevel it on this. From there, you should be able to install it. Yeah. Now, I usually install the cut end into the cam chain tensioner cover. So we're going to remove all of this now and set up the stud driver. Okay. So we're putting that short M6 bolt into the coupling nut. That's going to be the stud driver. Okay, everything lines up so you'll be able to put a socket on here for applying the proper torque. We're going to put that on the uncut end of the stud. Okay, and then you use just a 10 millimeter socket, and you can go ahead and install your new studs for your HPFP Stud Kit. Alright. Once it's installed in the cam chain tensioner cover, you can remove your stud driver and move on to the other two. And that's it, I think. Alright, later guys.